Boys and girls, today we're going to learn about 4 kinds of sentences. Each type of sentence has its own purpose. Look at the sentences below. The first sentence says, "The children boarded the train." This sentence is telling me something. It's telling me that the children got on the train. I'm going to end it in a period. The second sentence says, "Did the children board the train?" This is a little different because it's asking me something. It's asking me if children got on the train. Because it is asking, I'm going to end in a question mark. The third sentence says, "Please board the train." This sentence is politely commanding or requesting that I get on the train. Because it's commanding or requesting something, I'm going to end it in a period. And finally, the last sentence says, "What a long trip." This is showing emotion or expression. So because it's showing emotion or expression or excitement, we're going to end it in an exclamation point. The next slide, we're going to talk about what each type of sentence is called. When you make a statement or tell somebody something, it ends in a period. This type of sentence is called a declarative sentence. Remember, the children boarded the train? That was telling us that the children on the train. That was a statement and a declarative sentence. The next type of sentence can ask a question, and it ends in a question mark. Did the children board the train? That type of sentence is an interrogative sentence. The third sentence said, "Please board the train." That was commanding us or requesting us to get on the train. A command or request ends in a period and is called an imperative sentence. The fourth type of sentence, "What a long trip," showed emotion or excitement and it ended in an exclamation point. This type of sentence is called an exclamatory sentence. So the 4 types of sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Declarative is a statement, interrogative is a question, imperative is a command or a request, and exclamatory shows emotion or excitement. Let's see if we can apply what we learned to some practice examples. The first example says, "Do you know anybody who's adopted?" This sentence is asking me something. It's asking me if I know anyone that's adopted. When somebody asks me something and it ends in a question mark, it is called an interrogative sentence. Let's try another one. "I was adopted as a small child." This sentence is telling me something. It's telling me that I was adopted when I was little. Sentences that tell you something or state something are called declarative sentences. Let's look at another example. "How wonderful that must be." That's showing emotion or excitement, and I notice that it ends in an exclamation point. Those sentences are called exclamatory sentences. How about one more? "Please tell me what it's like to be adopted." This is politely commanding or requesting that I explain what it was like to be adopted. This type of sentence, since it's a command and a request, is an imperative sentence. Now that we know the 4 types of sentences, declarative, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative, please take a piece of loose leaf paper and try correcting the errors and identifying what each type of sentence is on your own.